After about 15 years of service on a gravel driveway, these supports for the blade were wearing down pretty thin. They've almost gotten flat in this area. So I decided to weld this piece of 3/4, 3/16 thick metal stock right on here. And we're just going to clamp it on as we have done here. And weld that on there. Just tack it here and there, and I think we should be good for another 15 years. Now I had a tough time, not with this clamp, because I had a flat surface here, but with this clamp, I didn't have the flat surface, so I had to make up this little attachment here, and we'll have a look. I have another one here, I made 2 of them. We'll take a look at this, and it's just a piece of angle iron. And it is welded onto a flat piece of metal so that this gives me a flat surface to clamp on, and we'll have a look at those, how I put that together after we're done here. So I ended up welding this in 5 different places on both sides. In my case, this strip is 20 inches long. In your case, it might be different. Here's the finished job. After we were done, we gave it a coat of rust-resistant paint.
To make my C-clamp attachments, I used a piece of angle iron. And I put it in the mill and just milled a flat across the top. It doesn't have to be very big as long as we have a flat. And then we took another piece of metal, about the same length as the angle iron, and sit it on top, and we welded both sides right across, all the way across. And this allows the C-clamp to make a nice positive contact with the round bar, and it's not always sliding off.